I didn't even see you guys there. Ha! Crazy, crazy. Well, since you guys are here, and I have you here, I'm the Clouded Barber, back at it with another video. With Headspace, of course, my new barbershop. Today, we're actually going to be unboxing the Intinct X by StyleCraft. I thank StyleCraft for sending these to me for the review. Let's get to the video. I'll give you guys my pros and cons and let you guys know what I think about the clipper and whether I recommend it or I don't recommend it and all that other good stuff. So without further ado, let's get to the video and stop wasting time. All right, guys, so here we have the StyleCraft Pro Intinct X Professional Vector Motor Clipper with intuitive torque controls. We got the black diamond fade blade, high power vector motor, adjustable zero gap blade, 4-hour cordless runtime lithium ion battery, dub magnetic guards, intuitive torque control, customizable click or freestyle levers, and modular capabilities custom body kits. On the side, you get the picture of it with the branding. On the back, you get all the pictures of basically what is in the box and description of the clipper. All the information on the back. You get your 1-year warranty. On the side, developed in USA, Intinct picture and branding. On the back, you get your barcode and your QR code, model number, batch number, 120 to 240 volts, etc., etc. Now, what's inside the box? Let's move the clippers for now. So we do have the instruction manual. We do have the magnetic guards. We have 0, 1, 1.5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Magnetic, of course, double magnetic. Here we have the screwdriver, so you can take your clipper apart and actually change the face plates. And then throw on this clear window so you can actually see the motor inside moving, which is a pretty cool addition. Then you have your micro USB to USB-A. Got your stretch bracket, little thing of oil, couple screws, cam follower, little brush. We also have the StyleCraft Intinct X dock that comes in the box. And that's basically all you get in the box. Let's get to the clipper. Okay, guys, now to the star of the show, the clipper itself. Beautiful clipper. Love how it tapers off like the Ergo. Ergonomically nice to hold in the hand. A little heavy in the front, lighter in the back. Exactly what you want, so you can flick. The only gripe I have about this clipper, let me just get this out of the way, is how slippery it is. But if you're wearing gloves, which I do wear gloves, but I want that double support, so I throw a rubber on.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I just like to be double protected because I don't want to drop this thing. It's an expensive clipper. Who the hell wants to break an expensive clipper, or any clipper for that matter? I kept the click lever on because I like to know whereabouts in the fade that I'm at. And I failed to mention that it does come with 3 different colored levers as well, the white, red, and the black. So you can customize it however you like, along with the face plates and a clear face plate that you can throw on each one if you decide to. It does come with that fade blade, which is beautiful, the Diamond Shallow 2.0 cutting blade. It has the Intu vector motor offering an unmatched 11,500 strokes per minute with that unstoppable power, providing high quality optimized bulk removal in one pass, which I can absolutely vouch for that because this thing, if you can hear it, it's pretty powerful to begin with. But then once you actually hold the blade, like on the first Instincts that have come out, it actually ramps up the RPMs so it can detect when there's actually more hair, more bulk, and it just rips through the bulk. Check it out. So this is just regular, and then I pinch the blade. You can hear it ramp up. So that is a huge bonus. The power button lights up blue when on, when about to die, blinking blue, and when charging, blinking blue as well. It is adjustable, zero gap adjustable, so which I have done, as you guys can obviously tell here. It's like super gapped. We have a USB-C in the back, so you can charge it with the included USB-C charger. And in the bottom, you don't necessarily have to throw it on the dock. You can just use the cord that came with the dock, plug it into a 12-volt outlet, and charge it via wall outlet. The 3 additional housings, of course. It is super, super light. I don't know, there's not much to say bad about this clipper. I just love it, you know, and I haven't been able to really say I love a clipper this much since the JRL Onyx, because I really like that clipper too. But this one, it's just, the power is kick-ass. I'll include a couple of clips so you can actually see how well this cuts through bulk, through, you know, when giving fades, tapers. This thing can cut, and I have absolutely nothing bad to say about it except that it's a little bit slippery. But as I said, if you have a grip or you're wearing gloves, you should be fine. Thank you, StyleCraft, for sending this to me. I will go up above and I will let you guys know whether I recommend it or not. And I'm already sure you guys know what that verdict is. So let's go above and talk a little more about it. And I will definitely leave the coupon code in the description below so you guys get your 10% off of your clippers at StyleCraft or Gamma website. And I'll leave everything below in the description. And I'll see you guys up above. We're up above. I have nothing bad to say about this clipper except that it's slippery. Do I recommend it? Hell yeah, I recommend it because it's amazing. Excuse my language. But this thing just is a beast. It's a beast, okay? It's a beast. Feel free to hit the StyleCraft website or the Gamma website and use my code HSBarbers for 10% off. That's my gift to you guys, okay? So HSBarbers for 10% off. But guys, for 10% off, you're saving a little bit of cash. You're getting a wicked clipper, customizable faceplates, customizable levers. You can have a click. You can have a floating lever. You can zero gap it. You pinch it and it can detect that it has a lot of bulk, that whatever you're cutting, and it just mows right through it with no problems. Guys, you can't go wrong. So pick yours up. I'll leave all the links in the description below. Go pick yours up today. Don't be silly, okay? Catch you on the next video. Clouded Barber signing out, Headspace signing out. My wife's over here, she's signing out. We're all signing out because this thing is just amazing. Catch you on the next video.